Hello guys, and welcome to another Fantasy Premier League tutorial video. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can leave a league you've already joined in the Fantasy Premier League app. I think the process is a bit different for actual web browsers, however this will be focused exclusively on the app, and let's get right into it, shall we? So first, to leave a league you actually have to be part of a league. Logically. So what you want to do to actually leave one is scroll down all the way to your leagues and cups, where you will see these two options. You will see leagues and cups, and of course we're going to pick leagues, and you will have either an option to join a league, which we don't want, or to configure a league or your leagues in general, and you want to click on that. Once you click on that, you will be greeted by this screen. Now what you actually want to do to leave a league is to scroll down, and here you will see all of your leagues you are a part of. These are some broadcaster leagues, some general leagues. If you click them, you can only see the standings. However, in these public head-to-head or public classic leagues, which you are a part of, you can leave these leagues. The way you do this is, of course, by clicking on the gear icon to the right of the name and going. You will see the name of the league. Below it, there will be a button called Standings and a button which says Leave League. Of course, to leave the league, you want to click on the Leave League button, and once you click it, you will, of course, have left the league. For some reason, it is not kicking me out of the league, so let's try doing the same with my own Invitational Classic League, which I have created for the purposes of tutorials. Just click on this. Or actually, I cannot leave my league, never mind. But yeah, anyway, if you just click leave league, it should kick you out. I am not currently a member of any leagues, since I need to wait for the next point change to come. However, that is pretty much it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed and you found this helpful, and I will see you in another video.